Hey realities, good morning. So today we'll be doing heatless stretch. So we'll be stretching our hair without heat. Shall we? So these are the things that you will need. You need a spritz bottle, derma brush, wool, thread, tea, or maybe normal water. Number one, you spray your hair. You spray from your roots down to the end. Then you detangle gently with the derma brush. Please, to do this, you need to really be patient. It takes a lot of time to avoid breakage in your hair. Then you start brushing. For those of us that have really natural hair, you need to start brushing from the tip of your hair. Then you move up. Then the threading is very easy. Just watch what I'm doing. You get a hang of it. Very easy. This helps your hair to stretch out. You will not suffer any loss from using hot dryer, and it also helps you to retain your growth. So you will see so much improvement in your hair. Yeah, you tie the knots. That's me tying the knots. Let me know how you did yours and how it turned out for you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.